What's up everyone? Yay! Today I'm going to show you how to draw super kawaii tata axolotl. Yeah, look at this pink, pink, pink. Grab your drawing materials. Let's go. Okay, so this is going to be guideline, axolotl's face guideline and a body. I mean, face looks like an egg laying down there. Okay, that's what I want you to draw. Okay, then once you're ready, we're gonna start drawing inside of axolotl's face. Let's start drawing, well, eyebrows. Yes, in a manga world, animals have eyebrows, okay? And the key is gonna be eyes. I want to draw a little bit apart today because when you're even looking at any famous kawaii plush toy, you know, like Hello Kitty Sanrio characters, right? They tend to have like eyes apart. That's the kind of important part to show kawaii plush toy animal. So eyelid and an eye, okay, round like this, sort of like he's kind of looking up. That's the kind of expression. And can you do the same thing other side? Okay, go like that. Looking up. Here. Inside the bubble, let's do, I mean inside of eye here, the bubble like this. Black bubble. We're gonna color later, so, sorry, it's a little itchy. So we're not gonna color inside, but shiny bubble, black bubble, okay? Then, in the middle, his smile. This kawaii smile like this. Good. Once you're done, we are going to start drawing this axolotl's face line. So follow this egg shape pretty much. Draw this round, right, head shape. Let's just give a little cute cheek line. So pretty much, I think you can tell what we are drawing here. It's like a chibi face line or kind of a baby face line, right? Sorry, this side got a little too small, so I want to make it more wider. Okay, here, go like that, kind of like this. Good. Then let's do 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? And then we're gonna draw wings. I don't even know what's called in English, so I just made it up. This is what I meant. Yeah. What do you call this? Are there names in English? I think I asked even my students too. So my manga students in my online, manga school, Manga with Misako, they do love axolotl. And when we are drawing, I asked this part, what is called? I think they told me, but I forgot. But some of them don't even know. So it's kind of fun that sometimes, like, if you don't pay attention to a specific spot, you don't know the name. So I'm still learning English, guys. Well, anyway, if you know the word or name of these, write it down in a comment, please. Teach me, okay? Good. Now, once you finish drawing a face line, this 6 wings, we're gonna start drawing shoulder, pretty much like a no neck, and the arm's gonna go up. It's going to be kind of a short, kawaii round arm. Here, he just can't wait to swim with you. That kind of a expression he has, okay? Like this. And his body go stretched here. Show little cute legs. Actually, to be honest, I think a shorter body is cuter, don't you think? Right? Let's make it slightly shorter. I think that's better. Okay, hold on. Go like that. I'm gonna make it just a little shorter. Again, when we draw animal or even sweets in a manga style, big face, small body is much cuter. Again, just like a chibi, right? Then we're gonna draw tail go up, looks like a leaf, right? Or kind of foxtail. Don't forget adding frill. Good. Now we are moving to, yeah, let's start inking. Good. Alright, so what I want you to have a lot pinks and then maybe a little bit of lavender or mint. And I think we can use warm browns for his eyes. Alright, let's start. First, we are going to start adding soft, lighter pink. His entire skin, let's use just a lighter pink. And then we're going to use darker pink as a shadow, okay? So you don't need to press too hard here. And I'm using my favorite pink. I think you can tell because I mean, look at how small it is. So I'm just gonna keep using until literally right here. Let's just see how much my pencil sharpener can take it. Depend on how much it can take. But this is my favorite soft pink. I use this pink for brush, you know, rosy cheeks, and also what is it like as an even hair, clothes, anything. So that's why, what am I trying to say? I'm kind of, it's funny, I'm thinking something different in my head. Anyway, that's why I like using this specific pink tone, kind of like this. How's that? Good? You can go maybe a little slightly darker. This is like a cherry blossom pink, right? And let's do more here. Okay. If you want to go a little darker, yes, go for it, okay? Then what we're going to do is now those 6 wings, right? Here, I'm going to add a little line here and a color inside. Can you repeat 5 more times, please? Here. Okay, go like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ta 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 ta. Let's do other side. I think nice. Height. Okay, almost done here. Then let's color his eyes. So I want to use lighter brown or medium, kind of like a warm brown. So start adding a color here, okay? Here. And this middle one, it's going to be black. So you can use a black color pencil, or if you have like a dark brown, that'd be great too. So I'm using kind of a dark one here. Okay, and use the medium or light brown, but press really hard around a bubble here. Okay, nice. And then let's start adding, we're gonna add a little shadow. What I meant is like this, underneath his face line here, a little shadow here, okay, and maybe underneath eyebrow. Okay, can you see here, and then a little bit around his eyes, not too much, just a little line like that, and around wings here. Okay, kind of like this, right? And arms, this area too. What I meant is kind of like this, lines here. Okay, shadow. And in Japan, axolotl was super popular when I was a kid. And even there's a huge line in aquarium. I went to see it with my parents. I think even it sort of like left school early. My parents did that to go see axolotl. It was so cute. It's so tiny. I thought it was much bigger, so because it was always on the TV, you know. For some reason, when you're a kid, kind of like, I remember everything looked way bigger than maybe actual size. But yeah, so axolotl, it didn't look like this, but it was cute. That's what I remember. I never thought it's going to be so popular now. Well, if you know how axolotl got super popular, your country, America or Japan or Europe or wherever you are, please type here. Tell me how, why, when. Okay? All right. Now, this area, I'm going to use lavender tone. A little bit of lavender. Let's change up, you know, some. You can use mint or lavender. Keep it still soft pastel tone. That would be nice. Okay. And maybe we can just add a little bit of like a water bubbles or something around him. Okay, go here. Da, 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 da. Oh, we gotta add a color inside of his mouth too. Let's do that quick before I forget. Because when I talk and when I teach at the same time, I often forget what I'm doing next. So yeah, when I remember, I just like to do it that moment. Even adding a teeth, why not? And I like to add a little bit of a bubble. I'm using a mint tone as a water bubble here. And here I'm going to write it down, axolotl in Japanese. We say upa-lupa. Kind of long, right? Let's write it down together if you want to. Right here, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3. This is u hyphen, so it's a long word. U. Next is pa. 1, 2, 3. Pa. Hyphen, hyphen, upa. Lu. 1, 2, hyphen, lu. Okay, I even wrote it down. I wrote it down in R because it's a Roman letter, but Japanese we don't pronounce as a R. We say more L sound. So upa lu pa. Hai. Pa. Ta ta. Upa lu pa. Here we go. Ta-la! Here we go. Axolotl Upa Lupa Kawaii Pink. This is the one from a sample. This is the one I just showed at the beginning. This is the one we just did today. How was it? Well, if you have more requests or comments, don't forget to leave your type it here. Go, go, go. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you so much. Yay! Are you enjoying my videos? If so, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And my graphic novel series Bounce Back and activity book series How to Draw Kawaii Manga are available at your favorite store. Thank you so much. Arigato. See you in next video.